The yearly Medicare Advantage and prescription drug plan enrollment deadline is fast approaching on December 7th. And for the millions of people who qualify for Medicare, including our country's veterans, some important decisions are looming. For the 9 million veterans who turn to the VA health system for care, many may not realize how Medicare and VA benefits can work together. Ed Sandrick, director of the Veteran Channel for Humana and a retired colonel with the U.S. Marine Corps, joins us to help sift through what you need to know before choosing a plan. Welcome.
Hi, Heidi. How are you today?
I'm fantastic. How about yourself?
Well, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So let's get into this. When does the annual Medicare enrollment periods take place this year?
Right in the middle of it. The annual enrollment period began October the 15th, and it will end on December 7th. But there's still plenty of time for eligible Medicare beneficiaries, including veterans who are eligible for Medicare, to get the information they need, talk with a licensed agent to help them make the right decisions for 2022.
Okay, so and what should those beneficiaries know about selecting a Medicare plan for the upcoming year?
Well, anybody that's looking at Medicare or Medicare Advantage, including veterans, I think ought to look at provider networks. Virtually all the Medicare Advantage plans out there have provider networks, doctors and hospitals. So I want to make sure that the doctors that I use and want to use are in that network, as well as the hospitals that they admit to. Other key providers, certainly. The cost of the plan, the premium, what's my monthly premium going to be? And then as I use the plan, what are my co-payments, deductibles, and co-insurance going to look like in that Medicare Advantage plan? Most of the seniors, including veterans, are on medication, so I want to make sure that I look at the prescription drug plans that are available on those Medicare Advantage plans and take a look at the formularies to make sure that the drugs that I use are there. Medical expenses. Everybody is concerned about expenses these days. Seniors, again, including veterans, are on fixed income, many on fixed incomes, and want to be considerate of their medical expenses. What did I spend on my medical and healthcare needs in 2021, and what do I anticipate that to look like to the extent that I can in 2022? Those are the key things that you want to look at it. There's a whole lot more. So I encourage everybody out there, including our veterans, to talk with a licensed agent to make sure that they're considering everything and making the right decision for the coming year.
Right. Asking questions is important. So definitely getting in touch with somebody about that. So can Medicare Advantage and then the other VA benefits work together?
You know, they work side by side. I think that may be a better way to look at it. A veteran eligible for Medicare and entitled and eligible for VA healthcare can certainly use the VA healthcare system if and when he or she chooses. Similarly, any individual, a veteran who's enrolled in a Medicare Advantage plan, can use the Medicare Advantage network if and when they choose. The two complement one another. They work side by side. What the Medicare Advantage plan could offer is access to additional providers, urgent care, and things like that. So the idea there is to kind of use them side by side and make them complement one another. Humana introduced in 2019 the Humana Honor Medicare Advantage plan, which is also available this coming year in 2022. The Honor plan is available to anybody eligible for Medicare, but was designed, with veterans in mind, particularly veterans who use the VA. So it's used to complement or round out the care that individuals get at the VA. Okay. The Honor plan and I'm sorry.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I was going to say the Honor plan, as well as all of the Medicare Advantage plans that Humana has to offer, are recommended by USAA. I think everybody knows it's a company that is committed to service to veterans and their military families. So we're very proud of that relationship.
Fantastic. And we're running out of time, though. So where can viewers go to find more information?
Sure. The Medicare website, medicare.gov, has a wealth of information about plans available in your area, as well as humana.com/Medicare. You can see the Humana plans that are available including the honor plan. And at that on that website, you can also arrange to talk to a licensed agent to help you through the process.
All right, Ed, thank you so very much. Great information for our veterans out there. Appreciate you being here with us today.
Yeah. Thank you very much for having me.
Yes. All right, back to it. We have CBD working to heal your aches and pains. That's next.